In a quiet little town surrounded by soft green hills, lived a boy named Ryan. He was 12, curious, cheerful, and always full of energy. Every afternoon, when school ended, he rushed outside to play. He loved racing his bicycle din park, feeling the wind brush against his face. He spent hours at the park, sliding down the bright red slide. He loved drawing, daydreaming, and playing outside, but when it came to studying, his thoughts ran everywhere. Every time he opened his books, his mind wandered to the sound of the fan, to the rustle of trees outside, to what game he'd play after school. Most of the time, he failed in class tests and exams. His grades began to fall. He felt frustrated and started thinking, maybe I'm just not smart enough. One afternoon, when everyone had gone home, Ryan stayed behind. His teacher, Ms. Clara, noticed his worried face. "What's troubling you, Ryan?" she asked softly. He sighed. "Ma'am, I try to study, but I just can't focus. My mind keeps running away." Ms. Clara smiled kindly. "Then maybe it's time we teach your mind how to stay." Ms. Clara picked up a glass of water from her desk. "Look at this, Ryan," she said. "What do you see?" "Just clear water," he replied. She stirred it with a spoon until bubbles and tiny ripples danced inside. "Can you see your reflection now?" she asked. Ryan peered in. "No, it's all shaky." Ms. Clara nodded. "That's how your mind looks when it's full of noise. Before you start studying, let it settle, just like this water. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and wait until your thoughts calm down. Only a still mind can see clearly." Ryan smiled. "So first, I have to let the water in my head become still." The next day, Ms. Clara brought something new, a small magnifying glass. She placed a sheet of paper on the desk near the sunlight. "Now watch carefully," she said. As the sunlight passed through the magnifying glass, a single bright point appeared on the paper. Within seconds, a tiny brown mark formed. The paper began to smoke slightly. Ryan's eyes widened. "Wow, the light actually burned it." Miss Clara smiled. "Yes, normally, sunlight spreads everywhere, gentle but weak. But when it's focused in one spot, it becomes powerful enough to make fire." She placed the magnifying glass in Ryan's hand. "Your mind works the same way. When you scatter your attention, your energy weakens. But when you focus on one thing, one page, one problem, one goal, your mind becomes unstoppable." Ryan began practicing every day. First, he'd sit quietly for a minute, letting his thoughts settle like still water. Then he'd pick one small task and give it his full attention, like sunlight through a magnifying glass. Days turned into weeks, and Ryan's marks began to rise. More than that, he started enjoying studying. He discovered that when his mind was calm and focused, learning became easier and even fun. One afternoon, Ms. Clara handed him his test paper. An A+ shone brightly at the top. Ryan grinned. "Ma'am, the water's clear now, and the light's on target." Ms. Clara laughed. "That's the secret of focus, Ryan. Calm first, aim next. A calm mind can learn. A focused mind can achieve. So before you study, settle your thoughts. Then aim your attention like a beam of light. Because even the smallest spark, when focused, can light up your whole world."